Hey guys, welcome to Jordan's Reviews and More. Today, I'm filming with the trusty iPhone 16 Pro Max. You're thinking, damn, how did you get that? Well, you must know, one of my mates got me it, and this is the box for it. It says Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, made in California. So this is the front, back, side. So how you open it is you just go, like a normal phone box, you just pull it open. What Apple are making them? Hang on. They're making them impossible. Oh no, they're not. Pull it, there we go. And we get no Apple sticker. With this because legal information, how to use quick start guide, say hello to iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm not going to put all this up against it. Golly gosh, we got troubleshooting, we get that, troubleshooting. How many instructions does the phone need? I mean, we get setup, processing, iPhone 16 Pro Max, camera control. Oh, about camera control. Press side button to activate camera control for your best needs. How many? God, this is a lot of instructions for a phone. If you need help, contact www.apple.com for... Jesus Christ, they got a lot of legal regulatories, how to use, how not to use, don't drop iPhone in water, as it may cause damage to device. Although, bloody hell. And no Apple sticker. That's a bit stingy. Quick start guide. I mean, I can show you what these are. Like, you get how to use camera control. So we obviously open this. It tells us how to use camera control. Legal stuff. The official website. And then we get it says we don't include Apple stickers for environment. Oh, why the hell do you not use them? They were cool. Okay, that's what you get with that one. Oh, it's an Apple imprint. So it says, thank you for ordering from Apple. We include iPhone 16 Pro Max. Included 6GB storage. And then, again, this is about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. All of it is. Legal stuff, how not to use, don't drop in water. This is all bullcrap. But you wanted to see the box. So you got what you got. Camera sound. Spatial control. No, spatial audio. Studio quality. Okay. You also get, it says, has 8 studio microphones. 8 studio microphones around the device. That's kind of cool, actually. It does whatever you want it to do. All the Apple-y goodness. This one is about Tim Crony. No, I'm joking. Tim Cook. How he designed it, and how they made it. It's just instructions for a phone. There's so many though. Booklets and booklets of this stuff. Why the hell would someone need so many booklets for a phone? Here we get quick start guide. You can either do iPhone transfer from another phone to another phone, or from iCloud backup, which we've done already. And here's the iPhone 16 Pro Max box. Pretty junky. It says iPhone 16. Say hello to Apple Intelligence. iPhone 16 Pro Max. On the front you get the Apple logo. Yeah, that's the iPhone 16 Pro Max, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. And it's heavier. And yeah.